Okay, on Kids Chant, I have a new article called December Camp. Okay, so this is what the December Camp article looks like. It's a bit of an ambitious project to have 6 sung masses in a row, which should be awesome if it comes off. Yes. So here we have links to the Chant Tools version of things. So this is the Chant Tools website, pre-populated with my plans. You can play these. Let's see if this works. So you can play them like this. Really loud. You can slow it down. Okay, is that it is not the prettiest sound, especially with headphones, but it gives you an idea of what notes to sing, and it's got a bit of the timings. Yeah, anyway, so you can go through all the different parts. So you can go to the Kyrie, and now let's pause that. So there's a pause button down the bottom. All the controls are down the bottom. So you got stop, speed, and this one is whether to lengthen the middle note on a salacus, which I usually don't. So you can untick that box if you want to be ready to sound like me, but I don't think it crops up very much. Anyway, yes. So so that's what you can do with the Chant Tools link, but because there's only so much you can do to customize, and I've done quite a lot of customizing. The definitive choir mass booklets are down here. So the Immaculate Conception is the one I was going to go through today. So this is it, Gaudens Gaudebo. So these are made to be printed A4 double-sided. So if you have your own printer, you can either use Acrobat, Monica.
I want to play the violin.
Learn to play the violin. Okay, cool. Yeah, you can get set up, and by the time, I'll be finished by the time you start. Okay.
Okay.
So some people, some PDF things have the ability to print things as booklets. Way back when I used to use Windows, it was Adobe Acrobat Reader. Yep. Okay. So, but if you're a Linux person or somebody, anyway, these ones are made to be printed double-sided as if they were portrait. That's why every second one is upside down. So that should give you a booklet. Choose no, what's it called? Scaling. 0 scaling if you have A4 paper. And if you're in Australia, because I'm assuming this is Australian people for this particular thing. Okay, but anyway, there's the shortcuts I've taken. Other stuff, monastic compline is going to be an awesome week. So now I just have to put together recordings going through it like a virtual choir practice, because of course the choir is coming from all over the place. And I'm assuming people know the Missa De Angelis. I've spoken to some other choir family things, and they know Mass 18 and Mass 17 plus the third of the optional credos for Mass 17. So I know the first one, but the third one is quite Missa De Angelis-ish. Yeah. So okay, so we're doing credo 3, so I should have put in credo 3 there. And what else? We're going to try to do the proper introit and communion. So proper introit, proper communion, and psalm tone the rest, more or less. Yes, and taking the Alleluia from the Feast of the Immaculate Conception, and doing that every day. Yeah, with the psalm tone verse. So does that make enough sense? Yes. Okay. Okay, so looking forward. We've all got colds in the house at the moment, so it's a bit tricky to have the voice. Anyway, this was supposed to be a test recording, so I should wrap it up just in case the microphone is at a different speed again, like last time. Ha ha ha. Okay, but anyway, God bless. All the best.